guys, I'm Raisa Naushin and welcome to the bridal week. For today's video, I have this makeup look for you all. This is a very easy yet very colorful makeup tutorial which is perfect for any Holud function or Mehndi night that you might have. So I really hope that you guys will enjoy, and as this is a very easy look, it will be easy for you guys as well to recreate. So I really hope that you guys will enjoy this one, and if you wanna know how to get this makeup look right here, then please keep on watching. So first I'll start with color correcting my face, and for that I'm taking the Elegant Pro Concealer in the shade Orange and Krayolan Paint Stick in the shade FS24. Now for foundation, I'm taking the Elegant Pro Coverage Foundation and the Milani 2-in-1 Perfect Foundation, and I will list my shades on my description bar. So first I'm applying it on my face with a brush, and then with a beauty blender I will blend everything out. Now for concealing, I am taking the Elegant Pro Concealer in the shade Yellow, and I am applying it on the centers of my face. Again, with that same beauty blender, I am blending everything out. Now to set all that makeup, I am taking the Rcma No Color Translucent Powder. And like usual, I'm focusing it on the places where I applied the concealer, and then almost immediately I'm dusting off the excess powder. Now to highlight my brow bone, I'm taking the shade Enlight and Beam from the Jaclyn Hill palette. Now I'm taking the Maybelline Eye Studio Gel eyeliner in the shade Black, and I'm applying it along the lash line, and immediately with a small pencil brush, I will blend out the edges. Now taking my very used and abused Sleek Ultra Matte V2 palette, and I'm taking a really kind of like a forest green shade from there, and I'm applying it on top of that black and also a little bit on my crease. And to blend out the edges of that green, I'm taking an olive shade from the Morphe Dare to Create palette. For my lower lash line, first I'm taking a green eye pencil, and then to smudge that out, I'm taking that same green shade from my Sleek Ultra Matte V2 palette, and to blend out the edges, I'm taking that olive green from the Morphe Dare to Create palette. Now on my waterline, I'm taking a white eyeliner to make my eyes look bigger. Here I'm highlighting my inner corners. And for mascara, I'm taking a W7 mascara. And now to intensify the inner corner highlight, I'm taking a Stila Magnificent Metals eyeshadows, and this is in the shade Rose Gold Retro, and I'm just applying it on the inner corners of my eyes. For lashes, I'm taking the Flutter Lashes in the style Intoxicating. And for contouring, I'm taking my all-time favorite contour shade. This is the Rimmel Kate Moss Contouring Palette. For blush, I'm taking the Makeup Revolution Sugar and Spice Blush Palette. And for highlight, I'm taking the Wet n Wild Precious Petals highlighter. I'm applying it on top of my cheekbones, chin, cupid's bow, and the sides of my forehead. And to set all of that makeup, I'm taking MAC Fix Plus. For lipstick, I'm taking the Jands Liquid Lipstick Pen in the shade Gulshan. And that's it guys. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And again, don't forget, new video is coming tomorrow as well. So stay tuned for that. And I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye!
Yeah.